Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But I'm just going to get rid of those. They are no longer relevant to the chart. Sure, they still pertain, just not relevant. So as far as current status of things, the big level, and this by no means is some sort of great discovery or anything on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to definitely notice this exact same dynamic, and that dynamic is so far so good in regards to the price holding up above the 200 period simple moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by that pink line there. Even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, assuming of course you're bullish, you want to see the price stay up above it. And that was definitely the case going into today. And like I said, to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. The price is indeed holding up above that level. So that is certainly going to be the I'll call it a must-hold level of support going forward. Because in the event the price does not hold above that level, then that's really starting to put the chart at down in areas that it hasn't seen for a very, very long time. So again, first level of support right there at the 200 period moving average. If that level cannot hold strong, the next key level after that of support would be down around the 23-cent mark. So again, preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay up above 26. If that does not hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially drift all the way down here to potentially the 23-cent mark. Now, in the event this is some sort of bottom and the price starts to bounce back upwards, let's talk about some areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance, if there is any sort of bounce, going to be that level right there. Let's see, what was that? 32 cents. Then in case some sort of crazy bounce happens, which, given this is a penny stock, you never know. Next level after that from the resistance standpoint, right up there at about 36 cents. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, got beat up this afternoon, but it is holding strong so far at that 200 period moving average. So we'll see if this is kind of if this will act as a bounce point or if this is just a temporary pause before it heads down to the 23-cent mark. We'll see how Thursday plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.